Okay, we're now moving on to multiplication. I've just drawn myself. Multiplication. And we are doing 34 multiplied by 5. Okay? 34 multiplied by 5. Right, let's draw out my hundreds, my tens and my ones grid exactly like I've been doing before with every other calculation. Now, what am I doing? I'm doing 34 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let's use another colour for my next one. 34 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We now need to add them up, which is why we come to multiplication slightly later, because it's exactly the same sort of addition as we've been doing before. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do we do? That becomes a group of 10. Let's plonk it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That becomes a group of 10. I've got nothing left, okay, because I've exchanged. 10 of these, make one of these. 10 ones, 1 10. Right, now let's add these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know what to do. 10 tens make 100. I've exchanged. Then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. And I've got 100. 170. Right, that's my pictorial using my Deans. I then will do exactly the same using my place value counters. So, same sum, 34 multiplied by 5. 34 multiplied by 5. Exactly the same as before. Hundreds, tens and ones. But this time we're drawing out with our counters. And I'm going to use my coloured pens again. So, what have I got? I've got 34, 34, and I'm doing that 5 times. So 5 different colours. 34. And again, the children can write them in there if they need to. 30, and I would encourage them to. 4, 34, 34, repeated 5 times. 34. These are all worth ones, these are all worth tens. You can put the numbers in there if you want to, okay? I'll just do those now, just whilst I'm here. I've now got to add them up, just like we were doing before. Let's add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's given me a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's given me a group of 10. I've got nothing left. I'm now adding up my tens. Okay, like I said the other day, in my last videos, it was actually today, same day, the children who need these as physical counters will use them as physical counters. Right, we're adding them up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 100. They've gone. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've got 100, 170. I'm now moving on to the abstract. Okay, on to the abstract. Now there are 2 ways of doing the abstract that we do at year 3-4 level. And I'm going to show you both of those. So I've got, again, hundreds, tens and ones. We always encourage the children to do that. 34 multiplied by 5. And I'm partitioning, splitting them up into 5 multiplied by 4 and 5 multiplied by 30. Okay, 5 multiplied by 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 30, 5 30s are 150. Okay, and now I add them up, just like we did with our addition. That's why we do our addition first. Then moving on, okay, to the more complex, the more abstract method. I've got my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. 34 multiplied by 5. Okay, I've got 5 times 4, which is 20. Okay, 5 times 4 is 20. 2 tens no ones, then I've got 5 multiplied by 30, which is 150, or 15 tens, plus the 2 tens is 17 tens, or 170. 17 tens is 107 tens. And that is multiplication.